Hey Bob, I'm in my old cubby hole. We're out here looking for cars. We sold 3 yesterday, by the way, BT Dub. Yeah, we need about 10 new cars. 10. Because we sold them all. I think we're at like 35 this month. And we still have 2 days left. So maybe we can hit 40. 40 cars a month. Not bad. Not bad.
Which one do you want? Can you bid on one with me? Which one? That one?
Yeah.
$50? Not a bad move. It's $800 away though. Not a bad move. I could see it. But they do have some scratches on it. Take a picture of what's.
Yeah, I'll do that, I guess. Oh, you take a photo of me? Yeah? Dude, these kids are gonna be so much smarter than us. Seriously.
I swear I did not teach him that.
I just got accepted on my Instagram. You can follow me, by the way. Boop. Little icon right there. For Instagram shopping, which is pretty cool because we sell all kinds of different things. Obviously we're in the car business, but there's all kinds of stuff that this kind of can give you access to. And I have 11.4K followers. Hopefully it goes up, you know? And that's potential customers for products like our inventory. So right now I'm on Facebook Catalog Manager, and I'm trying to integrate basically a file or something to where I can put it on our inventory feed, and then every night at like 5 p.m. it'll push all of our photos and details of the cars we have and products onto my personal business page. So then naturally, if people ever go to our profile or my profile, they'll go, oh wow, he's got a car dealership, and then they'll say, oh, let's browse his products, and then click that middle icon right here, and then it'll show my inventory, which would be really, really cool. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Just something that I don't see, especially dealership Instagram pages. They don't do the Instagram video or Instagram TV like we're doing. And then that as well. I'm doing it on my personal because I'm much bigger on my personal, and I promote on my story much more on my individual. We'll probably do it with the business page as it grows, but right now it's only got like 800 followers. Actually, speaking of, follow that. Please, it'd mean a lot to me. But yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. See if I can figure something out. We'll see how it goes. That's it.
I don't care what kind of a deal it is, you can't be bidding on cars that high. It's almost like you never pay attention to me. I've told you so many times, the customers don't want to see those kind of inventory. So you can't keep bidding on any kind of Fisher Price car that comes through. Yeah, boss. Listen, I'm gonna give it to you straight here. I don't think the customers are gonna love this new car. I don't think it's the right move. You've shown me like 600 times. I don't care how many times you show me the reports. I don't think it's profitable, and I don't think it's the right move. We're done. We're done with this conversation.
Oh, we just sold a car. That's number 4 in the last 2 days. On our track to 40. Really close.
A little bit here, a little bit there.
Did you buy any cars?
We bought one today, so everything's been kind of fluctuating up. The market typically has cycles, and right now everybody's kind of cycling up, so it's hard to get something for a decent deal right now. I would say it's because a lot of people are getting their tax return back right now because it was delayed so much. So now dealers are kind of like seeing a fluctuate in buyers, so now they're kind of desperate to buy a bunch of cars right now. So they'll pay 10% to 20% more for a car because they think they'll be able to sell it. So this is typically when we don't buy. we wait for everybody else to kind of like come off of that, and then that's when we'll load up our inventory, and we'll actually buy a couple months worth of inventory just to last 3 months like this where it's too hot.
So if you guys like this video, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. You can click the links down below to check out our inventory. We also are a partner, a proud partner with Hennessy Performance as well. You can follow me or Caleb on Instagram. Check those out, guys. Let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video.